Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name's Jean and I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Illustrator. So first, I'm going to start by bringing in my image. So I'm going to go to File and select Place. I'm then going to select my image and drag it onto my artboard. Click on Embed. And then you can either choose the crop image option on the toolbar at the top, or you can go to Object and select crop image from there. Then you can select the handles and just click and drag it to where you want it. Or another option is to select the box for width and height, and you can enter whatever amount of inches you want to change it to. So just say I'm doing 4 by 4 inches and then click apply. If you want to scale your image proportionally, just make sure you click on Shift when you drag. Well, that's it guys. Drop me a like if you found this helpful, because that would really help me with the algorithm so I can reach other people like you that need help. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Okay, bye for now guys.